Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Robza milkshake. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. You'll need 1 cup of chilled milk, 2 tablespoons of rose syrup, 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream, and half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Having everything prepped makes the blending process smooth and quick, ensuring a perfect treat every time. Now let's get blending. Carefully pour your chilled milk, rose syrup, vanilla ice cream, and cardamom powder into your blender. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high speed for about 30 seconds. If any ingredients stick to the sides, pause, scrape them down, and blend again until the mixture is perfectly smooth and wonderfully frothy. This ensures a consistent texture. Want to make your Robza milkshake even more special? You can easily customize it. Try adding 1/4 cup of chopped pistachios or almonds for a delightful crunch. A little extra drizzle of rose syrup on top can enhance the flavor, or you can add a dollop of whipped cream and a cherry for a classic finish. Feel free to experiment with other ice cream flavors too. Once your Robza milkshake is perfectly blended, it's time to serve and enjoy. Carefully pour the creamy, frothy mixture into a tall glass. For the best experience, serve it immediately while it's still cold and fresh. You can even add a fresh rose petal or a sprinkle of cardamom for an elegant garnish. Sit back, relax, and savor your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.